Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another wig review for you that I did receive from GoBeauty.com. It is Zury Sis's Sassy Lively Spirit Wig and the styles Sassy H Trudy. That's a mouthful. So this was part of their weekly deals for $9.99. I'm gonna try to have this video up by the end of the day, because I know this is gonna sell out. $9.99 plus their discount. Like, what? As usual, getting the package, I got a face mask, and I did try this face mask, and it's really nice, you know. I got this too. I don't know what this is. What the? Oh, it's like a car scent. Or I'm gonna probably put it in. I could probably put it in like my dresser drawer, so my underwears can still smell good. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I'm gonna put this down and this box down, and I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. Now, I have seen this wig on YouTube, and let's just say I wasn't impressed. So why did I buy it? I don't know. You know, I'm retarded, and I'm spending unnecessary money. I don't know, like, the whole channel is about being mommy on a budget, and I'm just spending money, spending. But it was cheap. It was cheap, you know. So let me see. So this is a full cap unit, full cap. So definitely no lace to cut. It does have a lace part in the center though, so I think that's really nice. That's really nice, and you can see it through the cap, so it could look nice from the top. I don't know who look at the top of your wig, but I guess it could be like, this is a sew-in, girl, you know. Let's see. So it does have filler hairs. It is not dark rooted throughout. Oh well. It is not dark root on the side, but it's a bang unit, so who cares? So these are how the curls look. Oh my god, this color. I did get her in a Sombre RT Sunset. Like, I did get their other wig in a Som RT Sunset, the Mimi wig, which is also part of the Sassy and Lively Spirit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the start card off. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And let me see the texture. I guess it's like a silky texture, but the curls in it, you know, it doesn't really matter. Again, with the Som RT Sunset, it's dark rooted, and then it goes into this beautiful orange color. You can look closely. It has hues of yellow, orange, and yeah, basically it's just yellow and orange mixed together. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off. Woo, girl. Had to throw something on and pick the girls up from school, so I just threw this on in a hat. Works just fine. Alright, so like I was saying, I saw reviews on this unit. For it to be a full cap, it does have two combs in the front and a comb in the back with adjustable straps, which is impressive because most full units don't have that. So yeah, I saw a lot of YouTube videos, and they were, you know, pretty blah about the unit. It wasn't like they either really hated it or they try to figure out what to do to fix it. So I guess that's what I'm gonna be doing, is putting this on and figuring out what the heck I could do, because I already know I'm not gonna be a big fan about it. So let me pull the strap down in the back before I get her situated. really Zury, like, oh my gosh. You have this bang in the front. Let me go ahead and turn around before I start playing with it. So this is the bang. This color, boy. Alright, so I don't know why I do this to myself. Why do I do this to myself? Let me get my mirror real quick. So oh my gosh, I was looking in the camera and didn't really see the actual. Let me see what I can come out with this jar, y'all. So I'm gonna brush her out. Oh, Zury. Oh, Zury. I'm gonna need some. Why do bangs gotta be like that though? It would be so clutch if this was curly bangs. So I brushed her out to max. Now I'm feeling like I shouldn't have done that. But we're gonna work with her. It's a shame that it's not dark rooted because I feel like an updo would look nice with this.